Hi there, I hope you're doing well today. My name is Irene from Adroit Architecture, welcoming you back to our channel. Today we bring to you yet another small bungalow house plan. Join me as we take a look at the Fedha 3-bedroom bungalow house plan. Tight budgets and small parcels of land call for simple and small house plans. Standing at 100 square meters, this is the perfect house plan for a small family. Small house plans are actually very popular all over the world. Many people do not see the need or do not have the means, financial and land, to tie up a lot of capital in big houses. Keep in mind that small does not have to be drab, common or boring. There are ways to make a small bungalow house plan stylish and classy. The Fedha 3-bedroom bungalow house plan has a unique modern look with a flat roof, large windows, and a well-organized floor plan. This house plan has a semi-enclosed front porch that leads to the inside of the house. You have a modest living room and dining room seated side by side. The lounge and the dining area are just the right size for a small family. The kitchen is seated right behind the dining area. From the kitchen, you have a door that leads to the outdoor side porch. All the 3 bedrooms are located towards the back. In a bungalow, this is a small way to try and separate the private areas from the public areas. You have 2 bedrooms that are equal in size with a shared bathroom. These 2 bedrooms are spacious enough to take 2 single beds each. The shared bathroom is also shared with your guests. For this to work well, we have separated the shower and the toilet. The master bedroom is right at the corner to maximize on privacy. The master bedroom is modest in size with its own modest private bathroom. As earlier stated, this house plan has a total of 100 square meters. The plinth dimension, what we call the footprint of the building, is 7.5 meters by 13.6 meters. With that footprint, you can comfortably build this house on a 40 by 60 piece of land. That is 12 meters by 18 meters. You will have a decent amount of space left all around. You need a budget of about 3.5 million to build this house. As we always say, keep in mind that a lot of factors can affect the cost of construction. The location of the project, the materials used, and the finishes used will have a big impact on the total cost of construction. The estimate construction costs are derived from the Building and Construction Cost Handbook by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors, the 2019-2020 edition. And that is the Fedha 3-bedroom bungalow house plan. So if you'd like this house plan and you would like to get it for yourself, get in touch with us. We can tweak this house plan to fit your needs and to be right for your budget. If you have any questions or any comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in our next video.